Hi, love. This is it. We're gonna be wifey and hubski na for real. Hope in words can express how much I appreciate everything you do for me, for loving me unconditionally. And I promise to do the same thing sa'yo. I love you, always, my love. Can't wait to see you later, my hubski. Hello, Timmy! Abangan mo yung binigay ko sa'yo.
Love, nakailang bigay ka na sa akin nito. This time, ikaw naman ang bibigyan ko. Something symbolizes time. I can't wait to see you. Let's just enjoy this day. I love you. I love you.
I miss you, I kiss you, I give you my coat when you are cold. I need you, I feed you, I'll even let you hold the remote control.
I am lucky because you said yes when I proposed. I just wish na lahat ng pinagpagura natin, lahat ng mga bagay na kalalabasan nito, ito yung wedding na deserve mo na para sa'yo.
But, nagbago to latter part ng 2021 that year. November, pumayag na ako makipag-meet sa kanya. This was our first time mag-meet since 2010. And then, dun na nag-start. Parang everything shifted after we met.
The remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink. I'll put you to bed if you had too much to drink. And I can be the man who grows old with you. I wanna grow old with you.
Dear Christine Fajardo, to my future ex-girlfriend and soon-to-be wife. Sinong mag-aakala na eto, nandito tayo ngayon, nagre-ready, nagpe-prepare para sa big day natin. Mula doon sa mga araw na ako pa yung nagme-message sa'yo na hindi ka nagre-reply, na hindi alam ng tao, hindi alam ng maraming tao na pag nag-message ako sa'yo, lingguhan or minsan more than a week ka ba bago mag-reply sa akin. Pero wala, nandito na tayo ngayon.
Kel and I, we've known each other since 2010. He got my number sa college BFF ko, which happened to be high school classmate niya. Then, di ko na maalala ba't nawalan na kami ng communication. When I look back sa old convos namin, di ko pala pinapansin yung highs and hellos niya. So, fast forward 2021, he replied to my story. Then, hindi ko alam, nasa mood ako, nireplyan ko siya. And thank God I did that. Kasi that was the start. He started asking me out. Wait lang.
Beyond horizons, staring at the sun. We are unbroken, unspoken, promises made divine, unending, ascending, forever is yours and mine. Beauty was meant to be her mystery.
Lagi natin magkasama haharapin anumang problema ang dumating sa buhay natin. Hindi ako magsasawang isupport ka, intindihin, alagaan, at mahalin ka kahit anuman ang mangyari. I will do my best to be the best wife and mother sa mga magiging anak natin. Mahal na mahal kita.
We're going to share everything from now on. So, wala nang babento, wala nang atrasan to. Welcome to my life, Mrs. Solis, I love you.
We are unbroken, unspoken, promises made divine.
Sa kanya, I'm the luckiest. And what did I do to deserve him? Because that's true. Hindi ako nag-ask kay God ng isang katulad mo, pero binigay ka niya sa akin.
Unbroken, unspoken, promises made divine, unending,
Mula ngayon, ito na yung magiging buhay natin. Bukas, pagkatapos na to, magiging mag-asawa na tayo. Iba na yung magiging chapter, iba na yung gagawin natin, iba na yung magiging goals natin. At ito yung desisyon na masaya ko. Ito yung desisyon na dinulook forward ko dati na hindi ko naman aakalain na nasa sa'yo pala yun, na ikaw pala yun.
forever is yours and mine.